In the Central African Republic, artists are now opting for a change through new musical sounds. An event was organized in Bangui recently by famous Central African artist by the name Idylle MAMBA, who is advocating for traditional musical instruments to transmit ancestral messages. We are trying to create in a way that will show the Central African Republic in a different way. It is really a work of creation, research, documentation, safeguarding of heritage and valorization of our heritage. The musical sounds here are not just a mere coincidence. These local groups chosen by Mamba herself and the organizers of this show come from a region known as Hippie, located in the northeast of the Central African Republic, which is a cradle of the country's traditional history. The essence of this event was also to promote some of the instruments based derived from tree trunks, roots, and even modern instruments in order to bring the forgotten tradition towards modernity. That's what makes the quality of this work, starting from the roots of the trobody trunks and associating them with modern instruments such as the sax, the guitar, the synth and the voice. I think that is something that shines through in the work we just did.